we in? Am I in?
Yeah,
My head in.
I'm in.
Are you sure? You know, you kind of tall as shit.
Put on the shirt, bro.
Anyways, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Holy, and we back.
Damn, they can't even see you scoot back. Your whole head.
Alright, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Holy, and we back with another video. Today we're gonna do a motherfucking mukbang.
Yeah.
With Krispy Kreme.
Hold on.
You gotta show them the bottom. You gotta show them the inside.
Oh my God, but y'all not on that.
Y'all not on that. Y'all not on what we are. Okay, there was a second box, but we started eating it before the video.
I only had 2.
Them bitches is good.
If you know me, bro, damn, I can eat all day, but this is just my weakness.
Krispy Kreme hit different.
This is like kryptonite. I'm like Superman, and this kryptonite.
This shit hit different, right? Oh, get it on that nigga.
But damn, we not starting right now. But damn, I gotta mention it first. Swear, but like I still take that joke.
This
like,
bitch fat, man. This bitch was good.
I ate it, but now it's eating me. Pause. This one right here, bro.
You gonna take the pink strawberry? I might as well take the black one, bro. So like,
ain't this like the donut from Simpsons? I'm not tripping. This is the donut from Simpsons, nigga.
You did, bruh. Speaking of that, every time I seen that donut on the Simpsons, I did.
That's my YouTube video stop.
Every time I watch the Simpsons and I see that donut, I wanted donuts.
But I swear, you know what? I don't even got time to pull that shit up.
Bro, as a kid, bro, we couldn't just tell your parents, order me some donuts. Cause like, no one's gonna do it. No, I can, yeah, probably,
Or muck boom.
No, you know what I hate? You know how like somebody like, you ever seen a YouTube video and the dude didn't know how to pronounce the word, so he asked the niggas that's watching the video how you pronounce it, and niggas would type the word in the comments. like the comment is gonna just say it for you. I'd be like, I'm still saying it the same way. What the fuck did you do?
How do you pronounce the word? Like,
he be like, how do you pronounce it? He be like, mukbang. He be like, how do you pronounce mukbang? Somebody types it in the comment. Mukbang. But I said it the exact same way I said it the first time. I was like, this helped me out 100%. This really helped me. This shit was key. I needed that.
But it's like you just read one of them comments, and you get one of them ads that be like 100% guaranteed. Oh my God, I should have an ad. If I had an ad, oh my God, I'll get so many sales. I'll just be selling toes.
How do you sell those?
But just like take a picture and then like put it on eBay, and then like 10 seconds of such shit equals. Oh my God, I'll be cutting what I did every day. What happens started shit.
That shit's gonna get canceled.
No, man. Just like coffee beans.
Wait, how do you know what straight coffee beans is? Like,
you don't ever have like coffee cereal?
I don't think that's equivalent to actual
I don't understand why people have coffee cereal though.
I don't think that's equivalent to coffee beans.
Yeah, it's close enough.
Are y'all having a mukbang over here?
Yeah, I'm sucking my dick. You can really kiss a girl. I don't think she sucked dick. But
What?
But look, check me out. 'Cause everybody does it.
Everybody does.
It's a thing now. Which if you suck dick, please come my way.
You finna catch everything.
But still,
You sounded so tight.
it's a thing now, bro. But it like depends on where the last nigga nutted at. I just say, bro, just check me out. Say, I like fuck with this dude girl, right?
You fuck with this dude girl.
Yeah.
So, okay.
And she sucked my dick.
Uh-huh.
I nut on her fucking lips. You kiss her the next day. That's potentially like that gloss you thought was on her lips. That's not lip gloss, bro. That's not lip gloss.
Okay.
But like, if she swallowed it, that's bad. But it's like terrible. You know what I mean? Cause you can just like mouthwash that shit out. Boom, it's gone. Kill the 99% of germs.
Then you can just wash your face. You soap.
What about the bit dirty?
Then why would you get the dick up? Obviously, she caught something.
What about she's not dirty, but she just been like.
If the bitch lets you nut on her lips, right, and she doesn't shower or wash her face the next day, because it's technically the morning, and she just walks out the house like that, she dirty. Ain't no what about she not dirty. No, you just can't walk out the house and not put a rag on your face. Like, you just can't walk in the bathroom and say, I don't want my face clean.
What? She has 3 fucking children.
Yeah.
They stopped the show because she was pregnant at 16. 17, one of them shits.
She was pregnant at 17?
One of them. That's why they stopped the show.
Oh, yeah, she was throwing that.
Yeah, she got 3 fucking kids.
Yeah, that's a lot of kids to push out. That's a lot of kids.
What's wrong? Nah.
I don't understand that. How can she be pregnant? She's so tiny. How did she hold that baby? And how did some of the midgets babies come out tall?
Yeah, that's why I don't know. It's like,
I'd be like, you clearly adopted him because
where do you get your genes from?
like, cause your dad is like what 5'1" and your mom is
That's not even a
3'9".
midget. Oh.
and your mom's like 3'9".
Oh, like imagine having like fucking one of those.
He said fucking one of those.
She could dead ass suck your dick standing up.
3'9".
That's immaculate. Just imagine you just standing.
Why is the first thing on your head?
She's standing, I'm standing. Convenient as hell.
But like she's so easy to get snatched up though. Imagine you have to walk around with her. Like you're actually holding hands with her. And she looks like a full grown adult. You know, you're gonna look like a pedophile. Like niggas who like physically can walk around with a midget, obviously are low-key rapists. They're low-key pedophiles because they can hold what looks to be a child's hand. They can say, I'm fucking this. That is a scream pedo?
Bro, I swear I thought we was getting set up going to Chapel Hill, bro. Oh my God, that is like the most countryest part of Atlanta ever, bro. We wasn't even like that far from Riverdale, but I swear to Jesus Christ, I thought we was gonna get sex trafficked.
I thought we was gonna get sex.
But we just going down this busy ass street. There's nothing but like abandoned boxes, like just small little containers. I seen a whale, a real life whale. You know, like them old 1800 type stuff. Like when they try to get water and stuff from the well. I seen one of those, bro. I like this is on some rings type stuff. And then we got like just red up boxes. I seen that at least 30 white vans. Like, and then the street was so busy, bro. And like there was like a good amount of space from the last car and the bus. It's like they was purposely had a gap right there from the bus and the car, and there was another gap in front of it, and we were just like, bro, just going slow up the street, you know. And it's a back road. It's a back road. It was busy on the back road. That's why I was so scared. But I was like, we're not even on the main street.
Why y'all back roads busy?
Exactly, bro. It's like I swear I thought the main street was going so much fun. And it was, cause the varsity people got there before us.
Nigga was looking trying to set y'all up.
Bro, he was trying to set us up. And then his phone died. That's what got me scared the most, bro. Dude said his phone died. So he was like, everybody freaking out cause we don't know what, like, he don't know where he going no more.
They ain't had y'all phones?
They did. They just sorted it out. But and then we lost by 10.
All in all, it was already bad.
It was bad. We was on that bus for an hour and 40 minutes.
Confused me. The two names that confused me: Will Smith and Will I Am. I used to think those niggas were the same nigga when I was a kid. Every time I heard Will I Am, is that Will Smith? No.
No, I didn't know that. Will I Am, bro, like
that man fell off after Black
yeah,
Eyed Peas.
he's died.
And then Fergie Ferg.
Yeah.
What happened to
the other two?
Yeah.
Like the Mohawk Mexican and
the Mexican nigga and then the other black nigga, the other black midget. Them niggas just, I didn't even know their names.
It was 5 of them.
Nah, it was.
I swear.
It was Will I Am, Freddie Ferg.
Let me look this shit up. No, it was 5 of them.
It was only 4.
It was 5.
Yeah,
it was 5. Hold on. We gonna find out.
I think it's over.
It was most definitely 5.
Could have been 5.
It had to be. I swear, it had to be 5.
It's only 4.
Oh yeah, it's only 4.
No, you had the short nigga with the mohawk.
Alright.
Had the Mexican. And then like, yeah. I wonder if Black Eyed Peas was diverse, and that's why they call it Black Eyed Peas. Cause you had the Mexican.
Bro, he didn't even have he's not even Mexican. He looked more Asian. Bro, you had will.i.am, Freddie Ferg, that scary looking ass nigga.
You know he
nigga
look like
is scary. Oh my god. He can't tell me this nigga not scary.
No, you know what that nigga look like? You know that, the dude that played Green Goblin on Spider-Man.
Oh god, I swear to God, he do. He looked just. Oh my god, that nigga is scary.
I'm surprised. Like, did they go deep into school? Like,
I don't know how deep they went in there, but they went. That's all I know. They went.
what they
I
say?
just seen stories.
What they say? Did they say it was like? Did y'all ask about it?
No, I didn't actually about it because Nathan or your Hattie wasn't here today. But you please don't say that shit, man.
Come on now. Come on now.
But Dewan is already went.
Yeah. Were they there?
Yes.
Did they say anything to anybody?
I don't know. I just know I seen it on Nathan's story and your Hattie's story.
Mm-hmm.
But chill.
Yep. You seen it on both of them stories and those people that's not here.
Please chill.
Sound like some fucking Riverdale shit to me. You go to an abandoned school. And bro, the day it was going, which was yesterday, I was like, bro, alright. Cause Heidi was like, if something happens or whatever to y'all, she said she wasn't going in there. I was like, damn, you Heidi giving a sob story on the news. And they ended up going, Nathan and her post on her story, and them two don't show up to school. Either it was petrified or like they were petrified. Or they just decided not to come.
Probably just decided not to come. Nigga, we not gonna think like that.
We thinking the worst.
No, but chill out.
Put them bitches on the news. Damn! That would be fucked up. You just see them niggas on the news missing. And we know,
and we know what happened.
Then you got the motherfucking music background, dude. I think that's how every TV show happens. That's how that's how it be in every TV show. Cause we know.
Every movie, bro.
Every movie too, cause we know.
And then like,
they had the zoom out feature.
No, it's a group of people who know. And then like, imagine everybody see that at the same time. And then we just go outside.
Everybody just get the same random call. Bro, get that, bro, everybody just link up, bro. You seen the news? How the fuck did this nigga get my number, first of all? But like, you don't even think about it till afterwards that you have to call.
We could really make that a movie, bro.
We really could make that a movie.
We could make that a fucking
Then you had like the zoom out feature. You like, we both just look at each other and like, it just zooms out. It's like, damn, everybody just runs outside, bro.
You know how like on certain movies, like everything was recorded off of a camcorder?
Yeah.
That's like the best type of scary movies, bro. Like the Gallows.
Paranormal Activity.
Yes.
Paranormal Activity. Really.
Yes, but that's like the best type of scary movies. Like you just get one of those.
Cause
it looks like it's actually like recorded.
It looks so fucking.
So like if you just get that, and that could be a movie.
That would be a fire movie, no cap. But you hiding in there. They would have to go missing. Cause they already didn't come to school.
Exactly.
And then they already had it on their story. Like, bruh, like that is like that's like the best part. Like they started off like everybody's school, and like you at school like we was. Yeah. Everybody just talking. You know what I'm saying?
On the bus and they
talking about it. And like you know what I'm saying? You get the shot of the like the outside, get the shot of the
and
bus.
then like you
driving.
actually go, and then like.
And then you get the shot of them going, or like, and then we at
I
home.
shot of them walking, and you see the school.
Yeah, and then like me and you was at home, or like you at home and you see it on their story, right?
Yeah.
Cause I wasn't there, so I'm not there. And then you tell me like you just did today, and then we like, and like a couple of days later they don't come, so everybody's like, everybody start talking about it, bro. But did you hear? And then all of a sudden, wow, it's on the news, and it's like, and the music plays. So that should be fire.
Damn, we finna get paid.
We really, bro.
Damn, we finna get paid.
Fucking geniuses, bro. We put Riverdale on the map for real. Fuck the football team.
Oh God.
Nah, like no offense, like
nah, all offense, fuck them niggas.
Like,
privileged ass motherfucker. I swear to God, bro. All right, we going to state and we gonna win that shit, and then everybody gonna suck our dick, and I'm just like,
this nigga, what did they do to you?
bro, like these niggas had like.
Did they even win the championship?
No, they fucking lost. They fucking lost. They only had 6 points. Sorry ass school. It's like the main like
I heard a nigga say that shit too.
Pierce, Miss Miller Brown's son. That nigga so fucking annoying, bro. He just think cause he big, like 300 pounds, that he could just like run over niggas, like beat the fuck out of you. You might bear hug my ass, but I'll get one good hit on you. Gonna feel that shit, bitch ass. You gonna feel that shit. You gonna feel that shit.
You got undercover pressure?
Huh?
You got undercover pressure, man?
I'm cool with Pierce, but like still that nigga. Ooh, that nigga so like Jackson. Y'all think Jackson quiet? Oh my God, he's not quiet. She's not quiet. He's not quiet, bro. Oh my God, he's not quiet.
I mean, Jackson was quiet last year.
He's not quiet. I swear, if you know this nigga for real, he's not quiet. He's so fucking annoying. Like it gets so annoying, bro. Cause like I just be listening to music, bro. I know this nigga see me listening to music, and then he just be like,
Oh, watch out, bro.
bro. And I'm like, bro, chill. Stop tapping me. What the fuck do you want? Please leave me alone. Chill. They just keep doing it. I was like, damn, that's what the fuck do you want? And then like, I be trying to talk this nigga out, and he just keep talking. It just keep talking, man. Just keep talking. But I was like, damn, Jackson, what the fuck do you want?
You sound like a school shooter to make it.
Bro, it's like, this nigga's so annoying, bro. And then he be texting me, bro. This nigga, he don't just say everything he has to say in one message. It's just message.
What come up with these products? Like Febreze, like who came up with Febreze? Like who came up? Let me make chemicals to make smell good.
I swear, like in the beginning, I thought cologne was people sweat.
Who told you that?
But you never seen like on like Disney Channel or anything when it was like famous people like, oh, we gotta make you a cologne, we gotta make you a fragrance. Got a sweat sample, put it in there. That's probably why church artists, they ain't smell like sweat.
Who?
But like that's a scam. That's such a scam. Like his cologne stinks so bad. How do you buy steak cologne? It's like supposed to make you smell good, but then it makes you.
It makes it worse.
It just makes it.
You just walk past somebody, damn, that cologne is ass.
Like, you smell like sweat.
You should not say that about somebody's cologne. Like, bro, like, imagine how the nigga feel who made it. Like, imagine he just discontinued it, but it was just one random nigga who got like a shipment of it. It was just like, I'm gonna sell you those, cause shit, why not? Like, nigga, he gets the cologne. This shit don't smell good to me. This shit don't smell good to me. Who made this? My fragrance don't smell like this.
Oh my God.
This shit don't smell good to me. It smell good to you? No. I know it don't smell good to y'all. You tell me we gonna release this to the public?
Fuck, and then you got like pitch the ideas and people gotta make it. And like, just imagine how heartbroken you is. Like, you
got the whole plan out.
But you spent all this time like pitching this idea and then
come out.
It come back.
It goes spread. Come spread. Nigga smell it. Just walk the other way. He's like, what? What's wrong? This shit don't smell good to me. It smell good to y'all. You telling me that you sprayed this to yourself and was like, I'll wear this outside. No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Bro, it's like you just came back from like a soccer game. Like,
this smell like my gym socks when I'm hooping. You want me to release this? Yeah, look, watch, it's gonna blow up. And then like he releases it. Dude buys it and gets roasted the entire day in class. And then like he writes him a strong letter. Like that's just all that he gets. Like the nigga gets the letter.
It's like alright, somebody's so mad at the cologne that he writes a letter to the nigga who made it every day. I'll be so mad.
He gets the letter. He gets the letter to the nigga with the cologne. He's like, oh no, my cologne. Yo, shit is so ass.
Bro, it's like every day, bro. You thought this was over? No, this is best for the cologne. That thick ass shit for nigga.
Nigga opens it. Pass by my cologne. Oh, this shit might be popping. Oh, yeah, it might be right. He opens it. Yo, shit is so ass. Who gave you the fucking audacity to release this shit? Who told you this was it?
I'll cry every day, bro.
Nigga said I put this on, it got inflamed. So now you finna see my pain. Bars, but nah, that's not the point. Nigga was like, alright, boy. I be mad. Alright, boy. Ooh.
Ah, boy. Ooh, boy.
Ooh, boy. Ooh. Nigga just closes the letter. Was it fire? Get my lawyer on the phone. Nigga say get my lawyer on the phone.
What is going on with you? Why you got stuff all on your eyebrow?
Oh yeah, so that's the end of the video. Hope y'all niggas enjoyed. If y'all did enjoy, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button, you know what I'm saying? Leave some comments. Tell me how to say it. Is it mukbang? Mukbang?
It's mukbang.
Fucking bizzle, nigga.
No,
Damn.
that's your word.
Y'all
You
comment,
created
tell me how to
It's
say it,
bizzle.
bruh.
What they gonna say? They gonna
I
put the pronunciation?
They gonna put
No, nigga. Comment and say how you supposed to say it. Like they just gonna shut the fuck up. Somebody did.
And why not they do it? I think they still do it. But yeah, so this thing was a success, bruh. So like I said, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.